Am I the asshole for refusing to take off my cross necklace for my sister's wedding? So my 25 female sister Cindy, 29 female, is getting married in 3 months, and she asked me to be her maid of honor. Of course I said yes. Cindy and I have always been fairly close. Well, I mean, we definitely have our issues, but nothing too serious. Okay, so anyways, I have a small cross necklace that my grandpa gave me when I was 13. I wear it 24/7 unless I'm taking a shower or going swimming. I wear the necklace not only for sentimental reasons, but for religious purposes. Needless to say, it's extremely important to me. A few days ago, Cindy and I were going dress shopping together. Cindy's 5 other bridesmaids were also there. So while I was trying on one of the dresses, Cindy made a comment about my necklace. She told me that I have to take my necklace off during the wedding because it clashes with the dress and the theme. I was pretty taken aback because I don't see why she should have any say in what I wear. I told her that while I understand that it's her wedding, I will not take off the necklace. She knows how important my necklace is to me and that I almost never take it off. I couldn't believe that she would even ask me that. Cindy started to get upset and kept insisting that I could take off the stupid necklace for just one day. At this point, I felt that I was being attacked for my beliefs, and I was getting extremely frustrated, so I told her that my decision was final. She was so pissed. She told me that if some piece of gaudy jewelry was so important, then I'm no longer welcome in her wedding. I was heartbroken that she would say that to me, so I started to get emotional. I quickly changed out of the dress and left the shop. I was humiliated that my sister talked to me like that in front of all of her friends. Now, all of the bridesmaids are on Cindy's side. They said that I'm being uptight and that what Cindy wants should be my top priority. But she should have never expected me to take off my necklace for her stupid wedding. At this point, I don't even think I'm gonna go. Am I the asshole?